Hi YouTube, this is Christiana, also known as Goddess Sanaa, and I am excited to show you what I got. Yes. So what I've got for you today is a package. We're gonna do an unboxing, so I'm gonna cut it. I waited. Okay. Really, I just ran and got dressed after it got here. Okay. So there's like packing tissue, like revealing the surprise. And then the first thing I pull out is the green tea hair rinse. Restore pH, balance porosity, add sheen. This is the Green Curls collection. Y'all, I am screaming. And it's vegan. Like, okay, let me read the ingredients. All right, next we have, I'm so excited, sea kelp and cucumber hair mask. And it's like intake. Oh my God, there's a biodegradable spoon. I am screaming. Grr. Shout out to the safety they put into this product. I love it. Okay, so you see, and then there's a bamboo spoon. Oh, and it says curls, you guys. Can you see that? Is that look? And these are the full 8-ounce bottles, y'all. This is the sea kelp and cucumber hair mask. I'm gonna let y'all see all these better. Avocado hair mousse with the pump. Very beautiful. And then you have the sea kelp curl cleanser. Didn't I already get one of those? No, this is the green tea. Okay, so there's a green tea hair rinse and a sea kelp curl cleanser. This one is a shampoo, and this is to restore pH, balance porosity, and add sheen. It's vegan shampoo, vitamin infused. Okay, we gonna read, y'all. We gonna get to reading. Hold on. Hold on. We have bamboo protein treatment. Y'all, I am screaming. Okay, this is beautiful, and I think that's it. And then you get an invoice. This is the entire set. This is the bamboo protein treatment. This is the avocado hair mousse. This is the sea kelp and cucumber hair mask. This is the sea kelp curl cleanser. And we have the green tea hair rinse. Now this video is in no way sponsored by Curls, but Mahisha, okay, sister, Mahisha, anybody on the PR team, feel free. Like, you can comment under this post, you can email me, you can get on my IG, any of it. Curls is the only brand that I can use like a full set and it works on my hair. I'm actually using Curls right now. In addition to Carol's daughter, I had to switch up my routine since it is the winter time now. I needed something a little bit heavier when it came to the moisture department. So I'm still using my Curls, but I have a little Carol's daughter hair milk in there as well. You know, it would be my life that I have to use the expensive hair products. I'm just thankful I don't have to spend $41.99 on a tub of like hair milk, because my heart, I can't. But I'm very excited to try these out. I just wanted to come and show you guys what came in the green collection, all the available items. And thanks for watching. Okay, so I really enjoyed the packaging. It's so beautiful. The only thing that I'm not like super crazy about is the smell. It smells like cucumber melon a little bit. I would prefer a fresh, clean, whatever natural smell it came with, because it did say it had fragrance added. But nonetheless, I'm very excited to use it, and I will be bringing you guys an update. I thank you so much for watching. Bye.